What's up guys, Jason here from Dallas Mustang, and today we have a 2015 Mustang GT with a Roush Supercharger up on the dyno. We're going to make a few base pulls and then we're going to put the Phase 2 upgrade kit on it and see what it makes. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and roll that intro. Alright, so based on the 2015 Mustang GT with the Supercharger, it made 556 horsepower to the wheels. We're going to go ahead and do that install and then we'll come back and see what it made. So with the Phase 2 kit, it made 620 horsepower. If you are on a base supercharger from Roush, it is a great kit to go ahead and install a little smaller pulley and a booster pump and get you a great amount of horsepower. If it's your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We do content like this every week. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next time right here at Dallas Mustang.